Okay, guys, we are talking university college degrees. Are they still relevant?
I think kids basically, they go to college, they go to university, they don't even know what they want. So they end up spending 10 years there when they could be working and actually getting work experience.
That point I do agree with. I think if you're going to go to university and college, you should have a goal in mind. But I think it's important to go to college and university because it sets you up for a higher level and probability of success in your life.
Do you know how many college kids get out of college and then they go to find work and they can't even find work in their field because they didn't even do any research on it and they're like, oh, I
was just going to say, it's important to do your research. But down the line, if they've got their degree, they've got their good position, it puts them in a higher probability of staying out of the poverty level. It puts them middle class or above. Plus, it affects their next generation.
I think that's stereotyping. I think you're basically telling people that if you want to make a certain amount of money, you've got to have a university degree.
I didn't say it was the only way to make a certain amount. I said it puts you in a higher probability of making.
No, but the thing is, not
saying it was the only way.
But do you know that most CEOs don't even have a university degree?
That's fantastic.
And they're making way more than the average person.
That's fantastic because it still comes down to personality and your personal drive behind it. But
they're also not paying on these student loans for the next.
But if your children see that you've dedicated time into your education, it will put more of an emphasis on them to do well in school.
Do you know how many people are this country has over $1 trillion in student debt. So do you know how many of these students basically graduate and they don't end up actually making any money?
Because
if you go with the amount of money they're making and the amount of money they're paying on their debt, they may as well just be working minimum wage.
Because so many people just go, they don't know what they want to do, whether trades or university, so they decide, hey, I'm just going to go, I don't know, take my Bachelor of Arts and don't necessarily have any goal in mind. I'm saying,
and what do you do with a Bachelor of Arts?
You should have a goal in mind if you're going to take your university degree. Anyway, guys, tell us what you think about this. Hit us up at Marc and Mandy Show. We're now going to check in with the excellent Mike Holmes Jr. He is answering your questions today.
Thanks for watching the Marc and Mandy Show. Like our video by clicking below and subscribe to our YouTube channel.